Testing 1 2 3, and we are live. What's up, guys? George the Cloud here. My name is Jorge, aka George. Welcome to the channel and welcome to my live. I hope you guys are happy and following the journey of GBB 23. I've reacted to every single video, and so far we have checked out the tag team eliminations. If you remember, I mentioned that ROFU to me was number one. It was my favorite, and Rogue Wave actually fourth place for me. So you know, they're up there. A classic battle, if you will. I remember they battled last year, or GBB 21, and it's so entertaining, both of them. This is going to be epic. And the thing that stood out to me about that battle, of course, was Rogue Wave's round. I think it was the second one where they did that something like that. That probably sounded terrible, don't mind me, but yeah, you know what I mean. So that was great, and we're excited to get finally right into the battles. It seems like the videos are taking so long and there's so much content left, but we're here. So this is a longer video. Hopefully you guys stay all the way through, and please watch the commentary until the end. I don't like to keep pausing the video, so I'll just speak at the end. And yeah, get some popcorn, fill up your water, put your headphones on, and let's go.
Let's begin. Hit him with the glitch.
Into the battles we go. There are only 4 teams left.
残りは4チーム。
First up,
最初は
from France.
フランスから。
Can I get a do la la? Can I get a do la la? Make some noise for Rogue Wave!
Let's begin. Hit him with the glitch.
Also, just quickly, big up to both of them for also mentioning that they're from Colombia. I know they're probably mostly French, but they do have the Colombian flag in there. And River here rocking the Colombian shirt. So shout out to the country. I am Colombian, and so I'm proud of River, and I'm proud of them. So that's all I wanted to say. But still, I'm not biased. I will be judging this based purely on musical efficiency.
Collapse, River, Rogue Wave. They ranked first overall during the elimination rounds, and here they are in the first battle.
予選では素晴らしいショーケースを見せてくれました。
Okay.
But versus
対するは
from Japan,
日本から
give it up for ROFU!
Hit him with the glitch.
Since Rogue Wave ranked higher, they have chosen ROFU to go first.
Okay.
You'll be going first.
Yeah.
Right here live and direct, once again, Tokyo. We're gonna.
This is the last time I'm gonna interrupt. Just a quick question, guys. Since you know more, is that why the order of the videos? That's why they released them like that. So the last video, most recent, was Rogue Wave, meaning they were first place. So let me know if they're gonna do that with all the other battles and things like that. So it kind of gives it away a little bit. I don't know. I just thought it was random. They're releasing the order randomly, but I guess not. So do let me know. That's it. We're watching it all the way through.
Go and get into the tag team battle. GBB 23. I ask you left, right, side to side, up top, in the back. Everybody, are you ready?
Yeah.
Rogue Wave versus ROFU. You already know what to do. I say the sun, you say the D and the east. In sun!
Yo, we love freestyle. Okay. Revenge match. This is freestyle. This is Hokkaido style, you know? Yo, we are the Floatable. Make some noise! Woo! Yuke Mori Mori. Yuke Mori Mori. Do you understand? Yuke Mori Mori.
All right, quick analysis. I will be pausing the battles right in the middle, so I give a quick opinion. To me, it's pretty close, but if I were a judge, I would give the first round to Rogue Wave because I think one of the most important aspects is the battle, right? The battle, attitude and type of round. ROFU did kind of a entertainment, like fun, improvised kind of round, still very good. But when you confront it with a battle round in a battle, then they're gonna win. Also, they had less, like they spent less time talking or with pauses, so there was more time for beatboxing, and the routine flowed better for Rogue Wave. So I give first round to Rogue Wave.
Okay, listen now. 俺のおばあちゃん、幸子と言います。俺のおばあちゃん、幸子と言います。俺のおばあちゃん、幸子と言います。俺のおばあちゃん、幸子と言います。Yo, we are love from Japan. Are you ready, JBP? Yeah, listen. 俺のおばあちゃん、幸子と言います。
time. What a crazy battle in the tag teams right here, but only one can move on to the finals. We go to our judging panel. Judging panel, it will be blue for Rogue Wave.
青がローグウェーブ、
It will be red for ROFU.
ローフが赤色になります。
I'll say the three, y'all say.
Alright, so just before the voting, I'm pretty sure I have seen the results of everything. All the like who won everything. I'm trying to put it out of my mind, but it was just really hard to avoid it on Instagram and everything. But obviously I'm still gonna watch the battles and, you know, judge them for myself or be entertained. If I had to pick a second round also to Rogue Wave, so basically ROFU, as we know, very entertaining, very like joking and getting the crowd on their side. They are Japanese, they're in Japan, but in a battle format, especially against Rogue Wave, arguably the best tag team there is not enough. And ROFU usually has a lot of pauses. You know, I forget his name, but he usually does the yo, we are ROFU from Japan, make some noise, and that takes time away from the clock, less beatboxing. Rogue Wave, superior in almost every category, I would say. Technicality, maybe even musicality, the flow, the combos, it's all there. Even though this battle I mean, technically they are far superior, right? But since ROFU is so entertaining and so much fun, it almost evens out. But I'm sure for judging criteria, they're gonna give it to ROFU. If I had to guess, it's gonna be every vote for Rogue Wave. If I had to guess, every vote is gonna go for Rogue Wave, and I think it's fair that they win, even though this was a great battle. I love. And one more thing to point out, the attitude on stage is very important psychologically for the viewer and for the judges. So if you look at Rogue Wave, there's so many R's. If you look at Rogue Wave, whenever the opponent is doing their round, they're usually very like serious. They're literally like almost, you know, without a care. And that's not to be rude, that's strategic in a battle sense. So you're not gonna give your opponent like more praise, like hype them up. I think it's fun when they do that. You know, they're kind of vibing, especially maybe in Loop Station or whatever, that, you know, the other track is really good and you enjoy it as well. Where ROFU does that, whenever ROFU is, you know, listening to their opponent, they're kind of, you know, joining in on the action, the activity, kind of being part of the whatever's going on. But Rogue Wave is super, they know what they're doing, so they're like not giving them any attention, and that I think plays a role psychologically in you thinking that the other round is less good than what it is. Anyway, let's get to the voting.
The 2 and the 1 judges in 3. Give it up for Rogue Wave.
Is that 5-0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep.
Give it up for Rogue Wave.
Hit him with the glitch.
You have not seen the last of them, for they'll be in the small finals. Make some noise for the amazing ROFU!
What's up everyone, we are Rogue Wave. Thank you so much for watching our videos at the GBB.
You can follow us on our social medias. I go by the name of River BBX on Instagram.
And I'm Collapse BBX. See you soon.
Thank you for watching. We are Rock from Japan. She is my grandmother, Sachiko. Sachiko! 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 Sachiko, 俺だ! 俺だ, Sachiko!
So there you have it, guys. I basically already mentioned my opinion on why I thought Rogue Wave deserves to win. It was 5-0, so pretty decisive. Although I don't think it was like what is it called? Well, they did run away with it, but like I said, since ROFU is so good at what they do, stage presence, it felt like a very good battle, you know, a fun battle. But Rogue Wave took it hands down. So yeah, I'm excited to see what's next. If they put this out in the order that I just mentioned before, next battle should be Gyro versus Ziegler. Is that the case? Somebody let me know, or we'll just wait for it. But yeah, guys, hopefully you enjoyed the reaction. Let me know what you thought of this battle and what you would like me to react to next outside of this GBB, because obviously I will be reacting to every battle, but outside this competition, what else you have in mind, let me know. If you did enjoy, hit the like, subscribe, share, even join the channel. What the heck? At the end, do a flip. Till the next.
Thanks for watching.